This is a great trick for adding up a series of numbers, and it came from Carl Gauss, who was a mathematician. The legend is he was bored in math class at age 10, and he came up with this. Let's take a look at it. It's really neat, and you can do it with any set of numbers that are consecutive. Some a little harder, some a little easier. Let's start with 1 through 10. If I told you to add up the numbers from 1 to 10, you could do 1 plus 2 is 3, 3 plus 3, and so forth. But that's kind of inefficient. So we're not going to do it that way. But let me show you what Carl Gauss came up with. If I write out the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This is what he figured out. As long as they're consecutive, they're going to have pairs of numbers. So I'm going to do 1 and 10. What does 1 and 10 equal? 11. What does 2 and 9 equal? 11. 3 and 8 is 11. 4 and 7 is 11. 5 and 6 is 11. So you have 11 for all these pairs. Well, how many pairs are there? Well, if there's 10 numbers, you just divide by 2 and you get 5 pairs. So you do 11 times 5, and that gives you 55. And that's it. That's all you have to do to add up all those numbers from 1 to 10. Let's look at another example, and this will be 1 to 100. So if I asked you to add up the numbers from 1 to 100, you could, on paper or a calculator, do 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4, all the way up to 100. Well, that's pretty inefficient. You're going to be here for a while. So as long as the numbers are all consecutive, they're all in order, you can just do the rainbow methods. I'll do a few here. 1, 2, 3, dot, 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 98, 99, 100. I didn't write all those numbers in between for time's sake. So I'm going to show you what the pairs set up to be. So if I do 1 and 100, that's 101. 2 and 99 is 101. 3 and 98 is 101. So they're all equal to 101. Now, how many pairs are there? Well, there's 100 numbers. So you do 100 divided, you split it, you take it in half because pairs are twos. So 100 divided by 2 is 50. So you can do 101 times 50. And I can do this real quick. And I get 5,050. And that's adding up from 1 to 100. I don't have to add up 1 plus 2 plus 3. I don't need a calculator. Matter of fact, if you use a calculator, you're probably going to make a mistake or two. Now, what's interesting is I can do this for 1 to 200, and you can pretty much do it in your head. If you get good at this, just knowing the consecutive order, my pairs are 201. How many pairs are there? 100. And that's easy to multiply by 100. You just do 201, 00. And there you have it. Now you can also do it for for other types of consecutive numbers. It's a little trickier, and I'm going to save that for another video. But you could do 1 to 300. That'd be 301 times 150. You could do 1 to 500. That'd be 501 times 250. So it's a little bit of work, but not very much, but it's going to save you a lot of time if for some reason you need to add up all those numbers. And again, you can do it for other consecutive series of numbers. It just gets a little trickier. That's for a different video.